Get see it through, boy, you got a friend. You got a friend in me. Some other folks may be a little smarter than I am, bigger, stronger too, maybe. But none of them will ever love you the way I do. Baby, as the years go by, friendship never dies. There's love in me. You got a friend.
Hello, Fran. What do you love about gig videos?
The social events.
What do you like about the social event?
The first social event I went was absolutely pouring down with rain.
Yeah.
And we should have gone for a walk.
Yeah,
but we end up going to spoons for lunch.
I love how we in a gig video.
But now I've ended up meeting a wonderful gig buddy match, and I've been to 2 concerts and 1 actually live music event as well.
Have you?
Yes,
what
I
was
have.
That?
The Manic Street Preachers live. Oh, I did.
Oh, you did.
Oh, I did.
Friendship never dies. There's love in me. You got a friend.
It's been amazing. That's the best night ever.
What have you been up to?
Well, we've been bowling and we've won a few games. Oh yeah.
You got a strike.
Oh, two times maybe more. And we've done.
Now we went for food.
Then we went for an epic food. That was amazing.
Yeah.
And then we gone to pubs and we took everyone out. We just made our own fun. There was no entertainment. We the entertainers of the pub, so we just made it fun for us. And we gone to another one. We're singing karaoke and playing pool. The best day ever. Woo!
And somebody tells me that you did karaoke for the first time in your life tonight.
Yes, because I don't usually do it. I usually be left behind because I can't read. So thanks to Rachel, she helped me.
And how was it?
It was amazing.
Did you feel like a pop star?
Yeah.